Superman. Today I'll teach you the Sega sound and the zipper sound. The zipper sound is invented by Korean effects, I think. It sounds like this. Yeah. Basically, you just have to breathe in, just through your lips, and you have to position your lips like this. There must be a little gap between your lips, so the air that you're breathing in must, yeah, you know. It takes a lot of practice to master it, so don't expect the sound to come right away. Yeah, that's basically it. Just placing your lips like this and breathing in through your mouth. Yeah, the Sega sound sounds like. There are different variations of the sound. Yeah. The one that I use is by using the zipper sound, but you just have to place your lips in the position that you're placing it in the zipper sound, and then when you place your lips like this, you have to do a inward click roll. Yeah, I'll put the tutorial right here. I made a tutorial about the sound. So when you add those two sounds, like the positioning and the inward click roll, you get the Sega sound. The other position is when you, like, I don't know how it's in English, but I think when you hide your lips, like this, and you have to create a little space between each lip, and you do the inward click roll again, you get this sound, the Sega sound again. Yeah, but it sounds much louder. Yeah, I use this one. That's a tutorial. Subscribe if you like it, and if you have any questions or you want to ask me anything about beatboxing or about my life or anything, join my Facebook fan page and you can leave your comment there, or you can also comment here. Yeah, that's it, and peace.